Today I'm going to explain arrival and dismissal procedures for parents dropping off and picking up their children. There are actually 3 different drop-off pickup areas. In grade K through 3, the area is the back circle. In grades 4 through 8, the area is in the back parking lot. And pre-K is in front of the school. If you have children at multiple grades that would indicate different areas, go to the area of the youngest child. We are allowing older children to assist their younger siblings in getting to classrooms if needed. Okay, so this is how you drop off your students. You pull into the back parking lot if your students are in K through grade 8. And if your students are in K through grade 3, you stay to the right and enter the circle right towards the building. And please do not pass any cars when you're in the circle. And you're going to pull right up to the drop-off spot that will be marked by a cone. And your children will get out the passenger side of the vehicle and enter the school building. Please do not get out of the car if you're the parent. Please make sure your kids are ready to get out of the vehicle without your assistance, and then just pull away safely, and another car can pull up behind you and drop off their children. And please be patient, especially in the beginning of the year. This may take some time. Okay, so here we go again. If you're dropping off your students in grades K through 8, you enter through the back parking lot. And if your students are in grades 4 through 8, you go straight past where the buses are parked, and you're gonna travel the whole perimeter of the back parking lot. So really, you're making a big square. And now we're gonna turn 90 degrees, and we're driving slowly. And please be patient, because this may take some time. Many of our parents are dropping off this year. We'll turn another 90-degree angle. And you'll see here the beginning of a sidewalk right in between the handicap parking spaces. So we're going to stop right here, and your children will get off, and they will go up that sidewalk right there. And they're going to continue on past the kitchen, past the dumpster over there, and they're going to go in the side door of the cafeteria. This is for grades 4 through 8. Remember, grades kindergarten through 3 are in the circle. For students in pre-K, we're asking parents to drop off in front of the school after the buses leave. That'll be at 8:20 a.m. And we'll ask you to pull up to the curb just past the door and allow your students to get out. And there'll be staff out here to greet them, and then you can pull off. Also in the afternoon, we're asking pre-K students to be picked up in the front right after the buses are out of the way. Okay, which would be about 3:20 p.m. If your student is going to need assistance from you to get into the school building, we're going to ask that you park in the front parking lot and then walk down the sidewalk here. And you're going to enter a gate in this fence down here, and you're going to go onto this blacktop. This is part of the primary playground, and there'll be staff out here to assist. And when your student is ready, they're going to enter those doors right there and have a great school day. And then you could leave back through this gate that you went through, and you can go on with the rest of your day. Unfortunately, we can't have hugs or handshakes at the beginning of school this year. So if you're tempted to do that, to hug or shake someone's hand, you might consider just doing this. It's an air hug, and end it that way. Just kind of a nice way to greet someone without touching. Teachers, especially in the younger grades, will have other alternative ways of greeting each other. And certainly those are things that you can do as well. Students in kindergarten through grade 3 will be either waiting in the gymnasium or the lower lobby for their parents to pick them up, depending on the number of pickups we have. And then they'll be entering, or actually exiting the building through the lower lobby doors and meeting their parents right in the traffic circle. As you can see, we are having currently some cleaning done of our ductwork. So everybody should have very clean air to breathe at the beginning of the school year. This pickup spot for grades 4 through 8 is the same as the drop-off spot. We plan on having students in grades 4 through 8 just wait on the basketball court here, and hopefully they will be helpful in identifying the vehicle that's going to pick them up. And we'll have staff out here who will ask for the driver of the car to hold up their license, and so we can match that with the name on our pickup list. And once our staff gets to know the families, that will become less needed for you to hold up your license. Thank you for watching. In the next episode of Back to Ashford School, we will discuss daily screening of students that we'll be asking parents to perform before allowing their kids to come to school. Thank you.